Welcome back to the Audacious Money Witch channel, where we talk about the magic behind the stock market. The global economy is sleeping on a live volcano, with a few visionary investors like Mohnish Pabrai have already quietly positioned themselves at the extraction choke point. Did you know he has 3 times his money in this dirty energy stock for the past 3 years? He just bought another oil drillers that could change all our lives in the next 3 years. While the mainstream media obsesses over AI and space, a systemic, irreversible energy tsunami is staring us in the face. If you think oil at 200 plus is an impossibility, you aren't looking at the right number. I continue to accumulate oil stocks. It's been painful, but I ignore the noise. Follow the value, and when the music stops, oil stocks won't just be profitable, they will be worth trillions. You can't run a global civilization on good intentions, Forrest Trump. It's the oracle's daughter bringing that Omaha water. Mohnish taught me, Charlie blessed me. Let's talk about the absolute truth of oil reality. No flex, just facts. Listen close, I'm about to turn your lights on before they go out. I step in the room and the pendulum shifts. They chasing the tech while the energy cliffs. Mainstream media sleep at the wheel, ain't catching the drift. They draining the SPR, stripping the gifts. Lowest since '83, political theater is blinding the masses. They tapping the reserves just to save their own asses. 60 days of supply, a permanent shutdown is all that it takes. The Strait of Hormuz gets a glitch and the global economy breaks. I ain't here to brag on a bag or my physical features. I'm dropping the knowledge, outsmarting the cynical teachers. You can't magic the barrels right back in the cavern. When structural deficits leave, the whole government haggard. The safety buffer is burned, the fire is out, and when the music finally stops, they're gonna figure it out. We sleeping on a live volcano waiting to blow. The oil inventory's artificial low. Where will the prices go? You thought $80 a barrel was perfectly priced? Wait till it gaps up to 200, rolling the dice. This is the extraction choke point, the ultimate play, where the value investors are making their stay. No ego, no flossing, just Warren's advice. When the beast is starved, we controlling the price. They starved the beast for a decade, institutional capital fled, mandating the ESG, leaving the fossil fuels dead. But let me explain, cause the truth is a heavy endeavor. You can't run a blast furnace on a windmill and weather. Solar panels are cute, but they ain't making the steel. They ain't propelling the cargo ships. Tell me what's real. And AI is hungry, the data centers are greedy, the grid is collapsing, cause Silicon Valley is needy. We zeroed the inventory, structural failure is looming. No exploration was funded, but the demand is still booming. It ain't linear math, it's a violent reaction, a fundamental clearing price, a chain of subtraction. I'm killing them softly with logic, a beautiful science. While momentum traders are fleeing the global alliance. Transocean, the premium fleet, the ultra-deep water, the onshore reserves are depleted, the lambs to slaughter. You can't build a drill ship overnight. It takes $500 million. They're holding the keys to the kingdom, supplying the millions. It's heavily gate-kept, harsh environments calling. When the onshore is drawing, the deep water's bawling. And let's talk about coal, metallurgical black. It ain't building a skyscraper, bridge, or a structural track. Without blast furnace heat, yeah, the entry was cheap. The smart operators acquired it while you all were asleep. I see the geopolitical peaks and the short-term retreat. Momentum is cool for the summer, the paper hands suffer defeat. But look at the micro. The balance sheet's pristine and clean, capital discipline running the operation so lean. Pabrai is the blueprint, cloning the master of value, misunderstood sector, they asking Exactly how shall you make bank on a sin stock? The discount is structural, barriers high, the returns are infrastructural. He caught the Met coal cycle right at the secular dawn, a classic Pabrai cannibal. Watch how they spawn. AMR spiked and they didn't do foolish acquiring. They paid down the debt. It was truly inspiring. Explosive free cash flow. They buying back shares by the dozen. A 30% reduction, outsmarting your cousin. The remaining slice of the pie is inherently thicker. This is the wealth transfer. Watch the historical ticker. High shareholder alignment, a cyclical moat. While the rest of the market is sinking, rebuilding the boat. No flashy designer, my vision is strictly the ledger. A beautiful mind in the market, the ultimate hedger. On borrowed time, weak men lead us to bad times. In 1 month, scarcities will start. When that final drop of that not so strategic reserve is gone, there's no supply coming to save them. Oil bears, mostly traders who have been in business during QE, unlimited AI meme stock, zero rate era, do not understand that the only way to deal global commodity scarcities is super high oil prices like $300. The re-rating of these energy assets, it's going to be the most violent wealth transfer in modern financial history. We ain't just buying stocks, we are buying the deadliest tsunami. It's already set in motion. There is nothing they can do to stop it because they don't understand that when paper manipulations stop working, the real impact will be felt